Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll discuss Form 1040. Any taxpayer who wishes to deduct a charitable contribution must file Form 1040 and itemized deductions on Schedule A. Many people wrongly believe that they can still use the 1040EZ form and still claim charitable contributions. In addition to Form 1040, IRS Publication 561, Determining the Value of Donated Property, and Form 8283, Non-Cash Charitable Contributions, are helpful in calculating charitable contributions. Form 8283 must be used if the deduction for a non-cash contribution is more than $500. Let's take a look at review question number 1. Joe is single with an adjusted gross income of $28,500 and he files a 1040EZ. True or false? Joe can deduct his $250 donation to the Red Cross on the 1040EZ. The answer is false. Any individual wishing to deduct a charitable contribution must use and file Form 1040 regardless of the adjusted gross income.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.